Here we go. We're going to do it again. But what's the difference here? Oh, cube root. All right. So still isolating the radical. We don't square it. We're going to cube it. All right. That's the only big difference. This is actually a little bit easier than the last one because we don't have to FOIL. So this should take a lot less time with a lot less hassle. So let's get to work. What do I need to do first? What does it say? Isolate the variable, isolate the radical. Get so used to it, right? Isolate the radical. What's happening? I need to get rid of this plus 3. So let's subtract 3. Oh, so much easier. We won't have to cube a 7. We'll just have to cube a 4. But why is that the case? Well, let me show you. All right, just bring this straight down. The cube root of 4x, let me move over here so you can see it. 4x plus 8, that's gone, equals 7 minus 3, that's 4. So much easier. I love 64. So much easier. Now, what do? Let's get rid of the radical. How do we do it? Let's undo the cube root by cubing the whole thing. And then what do we do over here? We cube this as well. Really simple idea. Now, I know this off the top of my head. This cube cancels out this cube root. So I have 4x plus 8, right? Okay, what does that equal? 4 cubed is 4 times 4 times 4. 16 times 4 is 64. Cool? Great. We're doing great right now. All right, now, what do I have to do? Now I have a simple two-step equation. I need to now isolate the variable instead of combine, right? Solve. Oh, there's solve. Solve two-step. Two-step. There we go. How do we do it? We subtract 8. Subtract 8, right? Okay. 64 minus 8, what is that, 56? I think so. Right? And then that goes away, and then 4x equals 56. And then we divide by 4, and that turns into a 1. So x equals, what is that, 14, right? Because 4 times 10 is 40, and 4 times 4 is 16. 40 and 16 is 56. That is our solution. What do? We throw it back into the beginning to see if it works out. That's all we're doing. Okay. Youch. What do I need? Let's go back to our original. The cube root of 4, we're going to input our 14, and then plus 8, plus 3 is going to be equal to 7, right? Remember way back here, 64, just telling you. Don't remember this 64, how we got there. Okay, great. So 4 times 14 we know is 56 because I said it before. So the cube root of 56 plus 8 plus 3 on the outside has to be equal to 7. What do we got? Well, 56 plus 8, what is it? 64. So, 64 cube root plus 3 is 7. Cube root of 64 is 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. We did it right. Checks out. Everything's great. So what do? We isolated the radical. We cubed both sides of the equation. We solved our two-step equation. and then we checked it just to make sure we had the right answer. See how much easier that one was than the last one? Sometimes it's a lot easier. Thanks for your time.